Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have a fun and practical product that's perfect for your next event. Introducing the best little chalkboard signs, the 15-pack wood mini chalkboard signs. These charming mini blackboards come with water-based chalk and replacement stickers, making them ideal for weddings, parties, or any special event. Whether you're decorating a reception table, labeling food at a buffet, or using them as place cards, these signs are versatile and reusable. Each sign measures 2.36 inches by 3.35 inches, giving you ample space to write small messages or display table numbers. Made from high-quality wood, these mini chalkboards are both sturdy and stylish, with a natural brown finish that complements any decor. The removable wooden stands make them easy to set up and keep standing upright on any flat surface. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or organizing a wedding reception, these mini chalkboards add a rustic and functional touch to any setup. One of the standout features is their reusability. You can easily erase your messages with a cloth or eraser and write something new, perfect for multiple events. The water-based chalk included ensures smooth writing, and if you ever need to replace it, the set also comes with extra stickers to keep your signs fresh and ready for use. Plus, the compact size means they're portable and easy to store, so you can keep them handy for future events. The chalkboards are perfect for a wide range of uses, from labeling food at a buffet or organizing seating arrangements. At a wedding to crafting fun messages for a kid's party or even for use in a retail environment. Their practical design and durable construction make them an essential item for anyone who loves hosting parties or needs creative ways to display information. So, if you're looking for a versatile, reusable, and charming way to add a personal touch to your next event, these best little chalkboard signs are the way to go. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.